In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to Microsoft Word 365 in just 5 minutes. We'll guide you through the process step by step. So even if you're new to using Microsoft 365, you'll be able to follow along without any trouble. First, let's start by heading over to the free Microsoft 365 online portal. You can find this by searching for free Microsoft 365 online in your web browser, or you can go directly to the website if you already have the URL. This is your one-stop destination to access Microsoft Word, Excel and PowerPoint online, all for free. Once the page loads, you should see a clear and inviting interface with various online Office apps presented. The key here is to locate the Sign In button, which should be visible on the upper right-hand side of the screen. This is your gateway to accessing Microsoft Word 365. Now that you've found the Sign In button, give it a click. Upon clicking, you will be directed to the Microsoft login page. At this stage, you need to enter your Microsoft username. This is typically the email address associated with your Microsoft account. Enter it carefully to ensure there are no typos, because an incorrect username will prevent you from signing in. Once you've entered your username, you'll notice a Next button on the screen. Before you proceed, double check your username for accuracy. When you're sure it's correct, go ahead and click Next. After clicking Next, you'll be prompted to enter your password. It's crucial to remember, as we want to keep our account secure. Choose a strong and unique password if you haven't already. If you have difficulty recalling your password, consider using a password manager, or you can use the Forgot Password option if you need help retrieving or resetting it. Once you've accurately entered your password, take a deep breath and then hit the Next button again. If all your information is entered correctly, you should now be successfully signed into Microsoft Word 365. This main dashboard will allow you to create or edit Word documents seamlessly right from your browser. If you encounter any issues signing in, it might be a good idea to check your internet connection or ensure that your account is properly set up. And that's it. You've now learned how to sign in to Microsoft Word 365 effortlessly. Each time you want to use Microsoft Word, just repeat these steps and you'll be set to go. With this knowledge under your belt, you're ready to start creating and collaborating on documents within the Microsoft 365 ecosystem. Thanks for watching and happy writing.